Hi everybody. Today I'm doing a shout out for a channel called Wheelie Shiny Gold, and I'll put the link in the description below. You should go check him out. He looks for gold in the desert, and I was watching Adventures with Goat, a live stream, and he gave away a prize which is 0.74 grams of gold, and I just got it a few days ago. So I've got some gold here from the desert in Arizona. So if you like to follow along looking for gold in Arizona, check out his channel. It's really interesting. So thank you, Wheelie Shiny Gold. I really appreciate it. And he also sent a little note here telling about it. So go check out his channel